Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the manual mode with time, temperature and speed on your Thermomix TM6. The manual mode is available on the main page. Now, it is also worth using the scale, so before we get to that, first let's see the scale, because all the other modes are automatic, but there are some modes that you can't achieve with the manual mode, like kettle, which will just boil your water faster and so on. But let's talk about scales. Here you can weigh your ingredients, and now once you've added all the ingredients, you can go to the home page, and this is the manual mode. The last thing to set is the speed, because once you set it, it'll start working. So before you set the speed, set the two other parameters, which is the time and the temperature if needed. Of course, you could also set it without time and just pause it whenever you want it, but let's rotate the selector and select maybe 3 minutes. Now the temperature could be set to none, but let's set it to 45. And now once I get here, I can start using the knives. But you can also click right here to do reverse, which is going to be reversed, so it's not going to cut. And it's great if you're, for example, boiling pasta and don't want the pasta to get cut. So then you do it and rotate the wheel only by one level, and that would not break the pasta, right? Now I'll leave it on the standard non-reverse mode, and now when I rotate it once, it will close the bowl, and then it'll start rotating. I can increase the speed to, let's say, 1 or 2 or 2.5 and so on. When I want to pause, I can click on the button, then it'll release the cap on top of the device. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.